Hello everyone, today I will show you two recipes. First, we will make steamed chicken dumplings or steamed momos, and second, we will convert that into chili momos. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. To make the dough, I have taken 5 cups of all-purpose flour. To it, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Add water as needed and form a firm dough. Don't make it too soft or it won't form pleats when you're making the momos. Adding 1.5 teaspoon of oil and coating the dough. Keep aside for 15 minutes. To prepare the filling, I've taken 750 gram of minced chicken. To it, add finely chopped coriander leaves, 1.5 finely chopped onion, 1 cup of finely chopped cabbage, 3/4 cup of finely chopped green onion, 3 tablespoons of mustard oil or you can use regular vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of ginger paste and 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2.5 teaspoons of salt or add as per your taste. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala. If you have momo masala, you can add that or just add garam masala. Adding 2 tablespoons of water to make the filling moist and juicy. Mix everything together. After 15 minutes, our dough has set. Form a small ball and dust both sides with flour. Roll it into a thin circle. Roll it as thin as possible. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of stuffing. One hand, I'm using the index finger and thumb and creating a pinch. With the other hand, I'm just creating the pleats. The pleats, I'm passing it on to the other hand, where with the pinching motion, I'm just flattening all the pleats. So with one hand, all you're doing is flattening all the pleats, and the other hand, you're creating those pleats. Now tuck the end into a circle, and that's how you fold a momo. Showing you one more time. Did you notice if the dough was soft, you would not have been able to create those pleats. So make sure to keep the dough a little firm. With the measurements of my recipe, I was able to make 55 momos. You can store in freezer for 1 month. When you want to eat, you just remove from freezer and steam it. So we're going to steam the momos now. Grease the tray with oil as we don't want the momos to stick. Once the water comes to boil, place the tray. We're going to steam it for 10 to 15 minutes until the momo is not sticky to touch. The dough, it's not sticking to my hands. That means it's done. You can even eat the steamed momos with any hot sauce. To prepare the chili momo, I'm frying the momos that we had steamed earlier. Remove once it's golden. To prepare the gravy, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add finely chopped 6 cloves of garlic. Saute for a few seconds. Then add 1 onion, half green bell pepper, half red bell pepper, all cut into cubes. Adding only half teaspoon of salt as we will also be adding soy sauce that has salt in it. Adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half tablespoon of red chili flakes, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. This is what I used. 3 tablespoons of hot chili sauce, 1/3 cup of ketchup. Mix everything together. Now add the fried momos. Mix and cook for another minute or 2. Garnish with some chopped coriander leaves and some green onion. Mix and serve. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel.